Okay, here we are back at Blackbush Airport. We're on runway 07 and we've got clearance for a left-hand circuit. So let's bring in some throttle, start rolling, check the engine temperatures and pressures are all within limits, gradually apply full power. Try and maintain the airplane. At 500 feet we can commence our turn to the left. Start to reduce the power as we're approaching circuit height. Commence the downwind leg by turning in the opposite direction to the runway. Put in the first stage of flap. We need to be in the white arc of the airspeed indicator to do this. So I'll go out to the left of the aircraft when we can see the runway. A bit early to start on the base leg yet though. We're still climbing. Reduce the power. More down trim. First stage of flight. Probably at a point where we can commence our descent and turn on to the base leg. Get that airspeed up a bit. There's the runway, so we need to now turn on to flying. Another level of flapping. We're high, so we're going to reduce the power, put some more flapping. So we're now got full flap. still highway. Got the engine idling to lose the height. It could side slip, but we're not going to. I think we need to put a little bit of power in just to make sure we cross over that fence. He's back on the stick, ready to flare. Stall him onto the runway. I've got air traffic control turned off, but they'd be telling us to exit the runway. We need to turn off onto this taxiway. Do it without too much squealing of tyres. Cross over this line. Just clean up the flaps. Okay, so we're back in the cockpit. It's time now to get in touch with air traffic control and get permission to taxi back to the ramp.